What's the meaning of compost heap? Compost heap. Compost heap.
Compost heap. Compost heap. A compost heap is an outdoor pile of organic matter like food scraps, grass clippings, and leaves that decompose over time. As these materials break down, they release nutrients and microorganisms that enrich soil and support healthy plant growth. The result of a well-maintained compost heap is a nutrient-rich, dark brown material called compost that can be added to garden soil to improve its texture and fertility. Composting also helps to reduce landfill waste by diverting organic matter away from the trash and into a useful product for gardening and farming.